Alright, so first I let my parents know to go to flipgrid.com, and please know they have all their login information and everything. This is to be able to specifically use Flipgrid. So the new grid I just set up for this demonstration is Teachers 20, and it is a real one, so you guys can go on there and record. Go to my grid, push the blue arrow, and enter the grid password, better capital B, the number 2, together. There's the password for this public Flipgrid. Here's where I would tell them to use the student ID number that I created for my class. Let's go. Alright, so here you would put in which topic you want to choose. So I had a lot of different topics, some of them from the disco library, and here I picked a Would You Rather that was created by another teacher, and say hello on Flipgrid. So welcome to Flipgrid. So they could watch any videos that I posted on that topic, and then when they're ready to record, they push this big green button. If there are any students who don't want to record, I will show them how to do that as well. And because this is public, I need to log in real quick, so give me just a second. Alright, so I showed them how to put a sticker on there if their child does not want their face to be seen, because some people don't like to record very much. And I've had a lot of students do that when we recorded in class, and showed them the sticky notes if they want to write anything, and how to record. Push the button. Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Claypool. Good to meet you. Pause. Next. You can edit it, but I'm not going to. Take a selfie. Oh, but then here you can also add stickers or words. Next. Add, hold on just a second, and then title, hello, submit video, and then I'm complete.
That means you're done?
Yeah.